Topic for this presentation is restaurant success during Black Friday. Today we're going to talk about restaurant success during Black Friday. In other words, Black Friday can be a recipe for restaurant success. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed restaurant owners and talented designers, today we are going to unravel a tantalizing idea of discussion about the restaurant success during Black Friday. While this may seem like an unconventional topic, I promise to show you the irresistible potential that this day holds for your culinary establishments. So, let's delve into this savory exploration and stir up some inspiration to boost your restaurant's popularity, revenue, and interior design. Number 1. Savor the flavor of Black Friday buzz. Black Friday, a day traditionally associated with retail giants, may seem like an unlikely partner for the restaurant industry. However, it's time to reconsider that notion. In recent years, Black Friday has transformed into a cultural phenomenon, a day when consumers are not just shopping for deals but indulging in experiences. And what better experience than dining in a meticulously designed, inviting restaurant? You have to seize this opportunity to create an atmosphere that matches the electrifying buzz of Black Friday. Number 2. The perfect recipe for profit. Let's talk about turkey, or rather, dollars and cents. Black Friday, with its feverish shopping sprees, offers restaurants a golden opportunity to fatten their wallets. By offering special promotions, discounts, and Black Friday-themed menus, you can attract shoppers looking for a culinary break. Consider enticing deals like shop and dine packages to make your restaurant the preferred pit stop in the shopping marathon. When patrons enjoy your delicious fare, they're likely to return again and again, boosting your revenue and building customer loyalty. Number 3. Now remember to use the aesthetic allure, which is the cherry on top. Your restaurant's interior design is a silent yet powerful marketing tool. Black Friday is not just about discounts. It's also about the thrill of the hunt. Your restaurant's ambiance can create that same sense of excitement and anticipation. On this day, patrons are on the lookout for a memorable experience, not just a meal. Let's talk about Black Friday food and interior presentation during this Black Friday week are matching one to another. It is encouraged to ensure your design is visually striking, with captivating decor that complements the festive spirit. Use Black Friday colors, black and red, to infuse a touch of elegance and drama into your space. Number 4. In this case, you have to act fast to reap the rewards. You have to always remember that time is of the essence. Black Friday will be here before you know it. The sooner you plan and promote your restaurant's participation in this retail-driven holiday, the better. Create engaging, visually appealing marketing campaigns across all platforms, utilizing social media, email, and your website to get the word out. Encourage diners to make reservations early to secure their spot at your restaurant on this exciting day. Number 5. Remember that you need to add the extra spice, which is creativity. Black Friday doesn't have to be limited to discounts. It's a day when creativity is celebrated. Consider hosting unique events like cooking demonstrations, live music, or wine tastings to offer your patrons something special. These creative touches can be a magnet for customers looking for a break from the shopping frenzy. Number 6. The next step is to let the festivities flow. Don't forget to offer Black Friday-themed cocktails and dishes. Signature drinks with intriguing names like Midnight Shopper Martini or Shopaholic Sangria can add a playful element to your menu. Special dishes with dark and red ingredients can further emphasize the Black Friday theme, while also tantalizing taste buds. In conclusion, Black Friday is not just for retail. It's an opportunity for restaurants to shine. By capitalizing on the excitement, offering tempting deals, and enhancing your restaurant's design, you can make this day a win-win for both your customers and your business. So, dear restaurant owners and designers, seize the moment and embrace Black Friday as a delicious way to supercharge your restaurant's popularity, profits, and aesthetics. Again, always remember that the clock is ticking. The time to act is now. There you have it. Please subscribe, like, and share so you do not miss the next educational design inspiration lessons. Thank you.